guys have had dialogue, respect, and the hope for a better world.
A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you to the grand opening of the Modern United Nations 2025. Where minds ignite ideas and ideas create change. I'm Purnima.
And I am Haswan.
We are your today's hosts.
As former UN Secretary General Kofi Annan once said, you
To invoke the grace of the Almighty and celebrate the spirit of our culture, we now have a mesmerizing classical dance performance by the 4th and 5th graders. Let's welcome them all with a big round of applause.
धिरना तन धिरना तागुरे गुडीं ददन धीं दधिरना धिरना तन धिरना अद्रितो तगचनु तगतानि तानि तुम त्रितानि धीं तानि तानि तुम त्रितानि धीं तानि तानि तुम त्रितानि दधितो तगचनु तगतानि तानि तुम त्रितानि धीं तानि तानि तुम त्रितानि धीं तानि तानि तुम त्रितानि तानि तानि तुम त्रितानि धीं तनननाद्रदीं तनधीरनधिरन तिलन तनधिरनधीं तनननाद्रदीं तनधीरना सहस्रकिरणाय महद्युतिकराय मार्ताण्डाय कालदाद कालातीत कार्यकारणमूर्ते आदित्याय सहस्रकिरणाय महद्युतिकराय मार्ताण्डाय कालदाद कालातीत कार्यकारणमूर्ते नमस्ते 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 सूर्यमूर्ते शुभकीर्ते छायापते आदित्याय सहस्रकिरणाय महद्युतिकराय मार्ताण्डाय कालदाद कालातीत कार्यकारणमूर्ते नमस्ते 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 सूर्यमूर्ते शुभकीर्ते छायापते हरिहरादिदेव वन्द्य हरिरागहृदय सुप्रभाव हरिहरादिदेव वन्द्य हरिराग हृदय प्रकाश सुप्रभाव धीं तनन धीं सगमगमधनि सनि सध दिनकर जनुत धीं धीं तनन धीं सगमगमधनि सनि सध दिनकर जनुत धीं धीं तनन धीं सगममधनि सनि सध दिनकर जनुत धीं धीं तनन धीं सगममधनि सनि सध दिनकर जनुत धीं कुकुं तरिदनं तरिदजं तरिद श्वेत पद्मासन रविभास्कर कुकुं तरिदनं तरिदजं तरिद श्वेत पद्मासन रविभास्कर तथीं धीं तजनु महापापहरनि साग सनिध परेशाय नमः सनि सा तजनु धीं परमदयाकर विभो जनुत धीं निधमध सनि सा जनु धीं करुणाकर तव पदचरणं सगममधमदनि तदीं 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 दीं 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 तनननादधीं तनधीरनधिरन तिलन तनधिरन धीं तनननादधीं तनधीरनधिरन तिलन तनधिरन धीं तनननादधीं तनधीर
A guiding force, a mentor, and a visionary, our respected principal has always encouraged us to think beyond the ordinary.
Of our directors, Sir Lieutenant Commander K.S. Rao Garu, coordinators, teachers, and all my students, I extend my heartfelt welcome to the chief guest of the day, Sri Alpat Rajendra Prasad Garu, MLC, TJ Constituency, Sri Vajimani Ravi Garu, from the Rotary Club, who has encouraged our students from the beginning, our chairperson and the Chancellor of VVIT University, Sri Vasireddi Vidyasagar Garu, our Vice Chairman, Sri Vasireddi Mahadev Garu, and Mrs. Pratyusha Vasireddi. To this, what I should say, I don't have words to describe the event when I see so many delegates. I feel the United Nations at Geneva here. As our students have rightly said, there is no age for learning. That can be seen at Viva, where we encourage our primary kids till grade 12 to debate, to think, and to enlighten themselves with what is happening around them. And we encourage everyone here to understand the UN Sustainable Goals, which we try to implement in our institution. And so when our students have come forward last year that they want to hold Viva Month chapter, which is not done anyway around AP from a school side, we are very happy that our chairman sir has given the permission and the students have taken it forward, and the second month chapter is here. And everyone is hearty welcome to these 3 days of deliberation, delegation, collaboration, and debating. Hearty welcome to all the delegates, and I extend my heartfelt thanks to the guests who are present here and who has given the support to the students from day one. Thank you, sir, for being here, and your presence makes a lot of difference to us. All the best to all the delegates. Show your best in collaboration and debating and understanding the topics that are given to you. Thank you.
Nurturing the next generation of global citizens. To speak on the significance of the day, we invite B. Nikhil, Delegate Relations Officer of MUN Edition 2, to shed light on the essence of diplomacy and youth leadership. Let's welcome him.
Good morning, everyone. Model United Nations, shaping future global leaders. Today, as we gather from all the United Nations, we celebrate not just an event, but a powerful idea. The the idea that young minds can shape the future of the world. Eminent Day reminds us of the importance of dialogue, diplomacy, and understanding in solving global challenges. The significance of today lies in what Eminent stands for: leadership, critical thinking, and global citizenship. It's a platform where students learn to debate pressing international issues, represent diverse perspectives, and work collaboratively to find solutions, just like real diplomats. Small United Nations is simulations in schools. They're more than academic exercises. They transform experiences that nurtures intellectual growth, leadership, and deep understanding of global affairs. By simulating international diplomacy, Eminent empowers students to develop essential skills such as public speaking, research, negotiation, and teamwork, while fostering global awareness. It offers a practical platform for students to engage with pressing world issues, cultivate leadership qualities, and become informed and proactive global citizens. Eminent builds mastery in communications, broadens global awareness, and inspires active global citizenship. Through speeches, debates, and negotiations, students learn to express their ideas with confidence and clarity, skills that will serve them in every aspect of life. Preparing for Eminent sharpens research and critical thinking, as delegates explore policies, analyze challenges, and craft strong arguments backed by lots of evidence. In a world marked by complex conflicts, climate crisis, socio-economic challenges, Eminent teaches that the power of words, ideas, and negotiations can bring change. It inspires us to think beyond borders, to embrace diversity, and to take responsibility for building a peaceful and sustainable future. As we mark this day, let us remember that each delegate here is not just participating in a simulation, but preparing to be a leader who can make a real difference in the real world. Thank you. Happy Eminent Day, all.
Not only in debate, but in understanding the greater purpose, simulation of leadership, empathy, and decision making. The call to become leaders who shape a better world.
The gavel is a mark of authority and discipline in every committee. It signifies order, fairness, and leadership. It's a tradition in Model United Nations that reminds us of our responsibility to conduct discussions with integrity and respect. We now invite the Director General Sriram Jannalagadda and Secretary General Saharsh Murray to distribute the gavels to the Executive Board and officially empower them to lead the committees with diligence and honor. We now invite the Executive Board of DISEC, the Disarmament and International Security Committee, to the stage. Please welcome the Chairperson and Vice Chairperson of DISEC. Was born on 21st July 1956 in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Contributed his services as a chartered accountant and a senior partner at Uma Maheshwar Rao & Co. He served as the past district governor. Received multiple gold medals and an honorary of Doctor of Literature from Acharya Nagarjuna University. Served as district governor elect trainer in Dubai. Chaired South Asia summits and institutes in Lisbon, Seoul, and Hyderabad. Held positions in Rotary, International's nominating committees, and represented Rotary at key international matches over 40 years.
Morning. Morning. It's an honor and privilege and pleasure to be a part of this Model United Nations assembly that's being conducted here. I must thank the organizers, especially I think my very dear brother, friend, long-term friend from last 40 40 years, Sagar must have had a hand in this. And it's also an honor to meet our very dear MLC Rajendra Prasad here, whom I admire him as a political leader par excellence. It's nice to meet you, sir, here in this August audience. And children, hi to all of you. Say hi. Say hi. So this morning I have been asked to talk to you for 6 minutes on, of course, complimenting you for this lovely organized effort to bring the Model United Nations. Also talk to you about Rotary International, which is larger than United Nations. We are spread in 200 countries. So we are larger than United Nations in the number of countries we represent. We are 1.4 million members across the country. And we also have organizational efforts for Rotaract and Interact, which I thought I'll bring it to your notice so that you may start Interact and Rotaract. Especially this message is for my friend Sagar. So that would be a broad roadmap, and I would also like to market one of our programs which we are going to do in the future. Now, of course, compliments to the Viva School. The art of debate, the art of negotiation, the art of research, the art of communications, the art of leadership skills, and the art of human sentiment and emotion are reducing in this society because students are losing an opportunity to do this kind of an activity. And I must compliment Viva for taking this initiative. In the current scenario, when everybody is driving the students to academic excellence, I was shocked when my grandson said he's attending IIT tuition and he's in the 7th class. So we are driving children to academic excellence. But Sagar and his team, the principal and all of Mahadev and others have launched this initiative. And I'm sure this will stand in good stead because the act of debate in public policy especially, the international thought process is reducing. We must all think globally and act locally, as that would be the philosophy in life. So I would also like to draw your attention to one of the young crusaders. It always was a thought in my mind how old you should be to be a crusader. What is the threshold to become a crusader? What is the threshold of a student to become a social entrepreneur or a social worker? I met a young boy from Canada some time back who was 12 years old, and his mission statement was to provide safe quality drinking water in the world. 12-year-old boy wants to provide safe quality drinking water in the world, and he has provided almost 1,000 hand wells in sub-Saharan countries and Africa. So you don't need to be old to think big. You don't need to be old to be a crusader. Some of you must have heard about one of my favorite crusaders at a very young age called Greta Thunberg. Did you hear about her? Not Mahadev, of course. Some of you, if you have not, go back, Google Greta. Now, Greta was a young girl at the age of 15. She cautioned her parents and said, we must not emit carbon. And then she went on to protest before the Swedish Parliament and the election, saying the carbon emission should be reduced. And of course, her famous speech before the United Nations on how dare you was the question she asked all the national leaders of all the countries. Why are you leaving this world for us fragmented and with climatic disorders? You must not leave that world to us, was her question. And she started a famous protest called the Friday Strike. Now Friday Strike is, on her call, all schools children came out and protested against the leadership in the world on a Friday, every Friday, against saying that the leadership should include climatic conditions and save the world. Now 1 million children participated in that strike on one day. 1 million, which means 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs children participated on a strike given by a notice given by a 15-year-old girl. So that is crusading to me, and I'm sure this Model United Nations will leave that to you. One, of course, request to Sagar and his team is you must also have a model parliament, a model assembly, a model council for the town council. Because these are the problems which we are going to face. These are real-time problems. Especially when the art of debate has come down, the art of humor has come down, people only hit below the belt, people only talk about vendetta. I think tomorrow's citizens as you are, who are going to transform this country, transform the world, must learn the art of debate and have the sportsmanship of taking that spirit of humor as you grow. So I would encourage the staff here to also think on the lines of starting a model parliament and a model assembly. I don't know if they are already planning, but if they didn't, they must. Because UN to me is slightly far off. And I do not want to discourage you because I have different feelings on UN. Ukraine war should not be there. Iran and Iraq should not fight. But UN perhaps. But one good thing is I'm going to talk to you in 2 minutes about Rotary. And Rotary actually pays salaries to a lot of UN staff. Rotary International pays salaries for the WHO and the UNICEF staff for their polio program today. We pay about $100 million salaries to them. That way Rotary is associated with UN. Of course, in 1945, when the UN Charter was being built, Rotarians played a significant role in the San Francisco conference in making the charter. From then to now, Rotary International is a preferred non-governmental organization in the United Nations. We also have a Rotary Day in the United Nations. Having said that, my call to you is, I hope you have taken your files. Milo file andaru తీసుకున్నారా? Files తీసుకోలేదా? మీ చేతిలో ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయా? You have your files? Okay, open them up. Look at this. We're going to launch this program to protect our climate and protect your world. It's called My Buddy. We're not asking you to plant a tree. We're asking you to provide name of your buddy, which is a plant, and we are going to give you that plant so that you will take care of your buddy. Program is called My Buddy, and our goal is to provide 1 crore plants across in 1 year. So please join us, all those schools who are here, please join us. Also, a message to all the staff here from the different schools. First, compliments and congratulations in bringing your school children here. Second, please form an Interact in your schools. An Interact is a school-based Rotary associated organization between the ages of 12 to 14. Please form a school, because Interact means international action. Please form an Interact. It is not a hindrance to your curriculum. It is not a challenge to the children for reading their exams, but it will help them in understanding internationality at best. Once again, thank you all. Once again, wish you all the best as you transform the world. Good luck.
The chairman and the school's dignitaries to come on and facilitate our chief guest with a token of appreciation. we now present another classical dance performance, a mesmerizing blend of rhythm, expression, and elegance. Let this performance remind us that culture is not just tradition, it is also a bridge between people and ideas.
தக்கிட்ட தும் தக்கிட்ட நம் தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்கிட்ட தக்க ஜெண்ணு தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்கிட்ட தக்க ஜெண்ணு தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க ஜெண்ணு தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க ஜெண்ணு தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்கிட்ட தக்க திம்மி தக்க தக்கிட்ட திரும் திரும் திரும்
రుచ్యంతమిగము రత్యంతమపరిమిత రుచ్యంతమిగము రత్యంతమపరిమిత
తిన్న కిడదక 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 తిన్న తిన్న కిడదక తిన్న కిడదక తిన్న కిడదక తిన్న కిడదక తిన్న కిడదక తిన్న కిడదక
రుచ్యంతమిగము రత్యంతమపరిమిత రుచ్యంతమిగము రత్యంతమపరిమిత
దక్కతం దిగ దిగి దక్కతం దత్తళంగ దిత్త దై takatum dikatum digi digi dakatum dattalang ditte day dakatum dikatum digi digi dakatum digi digi dakatum dodinde dakatodinde dalang dikak dik dak digi datum dalang dik dik dak digi natum dalang dik dik dak digi natum
అత్యంతమిగమూరత్యంతమపరిమిత అత్యంతమిగమూరత్యంతమపరిమిత
దిత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిన్నత్వం దిన్నత్వం దిత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిన్నత్వం దిన్నత్వం తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిన్నత్వం దత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిన్నత్వం దత్తంగిడదగ దరిగిడదగ దిన్నత్వం 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 దడి గిన్నత్వం దడి గిన్నత్వం దడి గిన్నత్వం దిన్నత్వం 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 దడి గిన్నత్వం దడి గిన్నత్వం దడి గిన్నత్వం దిన్నత్వం 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 గిడదగ దరిగిడదం గిడదగ దరిగిడదం గిడదగ దరిగిడదం
అత్యంతమిగమూరత్యంతమపరిమిత అత్యంతమిగమూరత్యంత అఖిల సత్యం సదా బాల ప్రోత్యానుకూలమఖిల సత్యం సదా బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం కృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం కలయ సఖీ సుందరం సఖీ సుందరం సఖీ సుందరం సఖీ సుందరం
Leaving us inspired and enriched. The gavel is the mark of authority and discipline in every committee. It signifies order, fairness, and leadership. It's a tradition in model United Nations that reminds us of our responsibility to conduct discussions with integrity and respect. I now request our beloved Chairman and the Director General Sriram J and Secretary General Saharsh Marri to distribute the gavels to the Executive Board and officially empower them to lead the committees with diligence and honor. Please welcome the Chairperson and Vice Chairperson of DISEC. Excelled in their field, but also influenced countless lives. It is our honor to introduce our chief guest, Sri Alapati Rajendra Prasad Garu. Sri Alapati Rajendra Prasad Garu was elected as a member of the Legislative Council from the Krishna Guntur Graduates Constituency. Served as Minister for Technical Education and Industrial Training in Andhra Pradesh under Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. From 1994 to 2004, represented Vemuru and Tenali in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, showcasing long-term legislative experience. He is widely recognized for his contributions to educational, technical training, and sustainable development initiatives. He is also actively involved in supporting industries such as real estate and graduate voter awareness campaigns.
We now request our chief guest to share their words of wisdom and ignite in us the spirit of purpose and responsibility.
మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఈరోజు ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి దృశ్యాన్ని యువ స్కూల్లో కనపడతా ఉంది. ఈనాటి ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి విశిష్ట అతిథులుగా విచ్చేసినటువంటి రవి వడ్లమాని గారికి, ఛాన్సలర్ అయినటువంటి గౌరవనీయులు వాసిరెడ్డి విద్యాసాగర్ గారికి, మహాదేవ్ గారికి, మిస్సెస్ మహాదేవ్ గారికి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సరళ గారికి, డైరెక్టర్ కల్నల్ గారికి, టీచింగ్ అండ్ నాన్ టీచింగ్, అండ్ మై డియర్ beloved students from various places and various on different subjects డిబేట్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి మీ అందరికీ కూడా నా హృదయపూర్వకమైనటువంటి చిన్నారులకి ఆశీస్సులు, పెద్దవారికి నా ధన్యవాదాలు. విలక్షణమైనటువంటి ఆలోచన వాస్తవానికి దగ్గరగా సమాజాన్ని పరిచయం చేయాలనే సంకల్పం, ఆ సంకల్ప బలమే ఈనాడు ద్వితీయ మహోత్సవ సభగా నేను భావిస్తాను. మీ అందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడికి ఒక ఆలోచనతో మీ అందరు ఇక్కడికి రావచ్చు. వచ్చే ముందుల వాట్ టు డూ అండ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్ అండ్ హౌ యు ఆర్ అండ్ వేర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు లీడ్ దిస్ వెన్యూ టు వేర్ అనే ఆలోచన మీకు కలగవచ్చు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒక అద్భుతమైన దృశ్యం ఏమిటా అంటే నాకు అనిపించింది, ప్రపంచాన్నంతా కూడా ఒక చోటకు చేర్చినటువంటి ఘనత ఈ వెన్యూది అని చెప్పి నేను భావిస్తాను. ఎస్పెషల్లీ గ్లోబలైజేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్లో వరల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఏ విలేజ్, విలేజ్ ఈజ్ ఏ వరల్డ్ అని అనుకునే తరుణంలో దానికంటే ఒక అడుగు ముందుకు వేసి ది ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ పామ్ అనేది ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయటమే కాకుండా వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ టుమారో ది మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఇంకల్కేట్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Then you can transform world tomorrow. నేను ఇంకొక అడుగు ముందుకు వేసి మీ అందరికీ చెప్పాల్సింది ఒకటి ఉంది. ఎవ్రీ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ బై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ అ లీడర్. You identified, may not identified, that's a different aspect, but it is fact. Fact remains fact. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ మనిషిగా జన్మించినటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా లీడరే, నాయకుడే, నాయకురాలే. నిన్ను నువ్వు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకునే దాంట్లో నీ లీడర్షిప్ ఎదుగుతుంది. నువ్వు ఏదైతే ఎన్నుకుంటున్నావో, నీకేదైతే కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని నువ్వు చూడగలిగే అంశాన్ని బట్టి నువ్వు లీడర్ అవుతావు. మనకి కళ్ళున్నాయి, ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఐస్ టు సీ వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. నువ్వు చూసే దృక్పథం బట్టి, నువ్వు చేసే ఆలోచన బట్టి. అందుకే చెప్తూ ఉంటాం మనం రోజు కూడా 3 అంశాలను చూడాలని చెప్పి. లెట్ us laugh, let us think, let us cry అని చెప్పి. ఆ రకంగా మనం ఆలోచించగలిగితే you will create the emotions, you will create the relations, you will create the boundaries, you will create the beyond the all. That is how this management is thinking for you to establish as a leaders to the future generation. That is how you have to identify yourself. లీడర్షిప్ ఎక్కడో లేదు, నీలోనే ఉంది, నీ ఇంట్లోనే ఉంది, నీతో పాటు నీ చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న సమాజంలో ఉంది. దాన్ని నువ్వు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయటం అనేది. అందుకే మనందరం కూడా చదువుకునేటప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉంటారు ఉత్తములు, మధ్యములు, అధములు అని చెప్పి. ఏమీ ఆలోచించకుండా తన కోసం, తన పొట్ట కోసం, తన ఆకలినే ప్రాధాన్యతగా తీసుకొని జీవించే వాళ్ళని మనం అధములుగా భావిస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఎందుకంటే వేరే ఆలోచన ఏమీ చేయలేట్లేదు కాబట్టి. కొన్నిటిని ఆలోచించగలిగిన శక్తిని ఆలోచిస్తూ తనకంటూ ఒక పరిధిని ఏర్పరచుకొని తన వరకే, తన కుటుంబం వరకే జీవనాన్ని కొనసాగించే వ్యక్తుల్ని మధ్యములు అనుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. మన పరిభాషలోని చెప్పాలన్న ప్రయత్నం, మిగతా అంశాలు నేను పోదలుచుకోలే. ఉత్తములు అంటే పురుషులందు పుణ్యపురుషులు వేరయ్యా అన్నట్టుగా నువ్వు ఒక మార్గాన్ని, నీ ఆలోచనని 10 మంది పంచుకునేలాగా, నీ ఆలోచనని ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఆలోచించగలిగే నాంది పలికేలాగా విభిన్నమైనటువంటి సంస్కృతిని, సంస్కారాన్ని విడనాడకుండా ఆలోచించే ఆలోచన నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే చేయగలుగుతావో నిన్ను నువ్వుగా గుర్తించబడతావు. ఈ సమాజంలో నిన్ను కన్న తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆనందపడతారు నీ యొక్క ఎదుగుదలను చూసి అని చెప్పాలనేది నా భావన. ఇవాళ డిఫరెంట్ అంశాల మీద ఇక్కడ డిబేట్ జరగబోతూ ఉంది. డిఫరెంట్ ఐడియాలజీ మీద ఇక్కడ డిస్కషన్ జరగబోతూ ఉంది. ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఈ సమాజంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని అంశాల మీద, సంస్కృతి మీద, సాంప్రదాయాల మీద, ఆచార వ్యవహారాల మీద, సామాజికంగా, రాజకీయంగా, ఆర్థికంగా అన్ని అంశాలని కూడా మీ అందరూ కూడా అవగాహన అవ్వాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి ఒక బహుత్తరమైనటువంటి కార్యక్రమం. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద ప్లేస్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు విన్ ఆర్ లూజ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ప్లేస్ టు ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ద నాలెడ్జ్. దట్ ఇస్ హౌ వితౌట్ ద లిబరేషన్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో నాలెడ్జ్ అని ఋగ్వేద చెప్పినట్టుగా ఇక్కడ అంకురం ఏర్పడతా ఉంది, విత్తనం నాటుతా ఉన్నారు. ఇంతంతాయి వడ్డింతాయి ఈ సమాజానికి నిజమైన పౌరులుగా. Everywhere in the society, in the entire world, there is a apartheid, there is a caste, there is a color, there is a creed. Without color and creed and caste, no society is living and established. Beyond that, you have to be there. This is the starting point. ఇక్కడ మొదలవ్వాలి. ఈ సమాజంలో మనందరం కూడా ఆనందంగా జీవించడానికి, ఆహ్లాదంగా జీవించడానికి ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని వనరుల్ని, ఎందుకంటే విత్తనం వేసేవాడు ఒకడు, అనుభవించేవాడు ఒకడు, బట్ట నేసేవాడు ఒకడు, ధరించేవాడు ఒకడు. ఇలాంటి సమాజంలో నీకు నువ్వు విత్తనం నాటాలి, ఆ విత్తనం ద్వారా వచ్చేది అనుభవించాలి అనే భావాన్ని కలగజేసే రకంగా ఇక్కడ అలాంటి సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయానికి ప్రతిబింబంగా మీ అందరూ కూడా బాట వేయాలని చెప్పి అలాంటి కార్యక్రమానికి నాంది పలికినటువంటి మేనేజ్మెంట్కి, ఇందులో పార్టిసిపెంట్స్కి అండ్ a beautiful gathering here. I have no words to say except to become silent. That's what my conclusion to all of you. Thank you.
As a gesture of our deepest gratitude, we now request our beloved chairman to felicitate our chief guest. Who has always championed education that inspires not just knowledge but also character, leadership, and global responsibility. Under his guidance, platforms like this Model United Nations have flourished, shaping students into articulate thinkers, future diplomats. We now invite our esteemed chairman, sir.
There are two major ways in which you can do social service as a career. UN encourages both of them. One is through government and one is through non-governmental agencies. మన స్టూడెంట్స్ దే హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ ద గెస్ట్ సో వెరీ వెల్. బోత్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ గెస్ట్ రిప్రజెంట్ ద టూ మేజర్ వేస్. రాజా గారు త్రూ గవర్నమెంట్ ఏజెన్సీస్ అండ్ రవి గారు త్రూ non-governmental agencies. You ask them if they were given a chance to do what, they were given a chance to live their life once more again, what they would do. They will certainly say, I had heard Raja saying in a public meeting, I think in our school only once, Ravi Garu keeps saying that they will do the same thing again. They are very happy with what they are doing now. So please learn to take social service as a career and do well, do something to the society. Most of we are from a better class of society. So with this UN background, please learn social service as a career and do something good to the world. Thank you.
A leader who drives the heart of this MUN, our Director General, Master Leadership. With his sharp vision and unwavering dedication, he has been a pillar of strength in bringing this conference into life. We now invite Master J. Sriram, our Director General, to deliver his address.
Good morning, everyone. It's an absolute honor to welcome all of you to Viva MUN Edition 2. As the Director General, I stand here not just with pride, but with deep gratitude for every person who made this dream a reality. To our school authorities, thank you for placing your faith in every step that we took. Your support laid the foundation for everything that we built. To our parents, we might not say it every single time, but still, your calm patience helped us to go through this chaos. Thank you. Next, to my seniors, Rishiraj, Ranveer, Prashwit, and Sailesh. You guys were an inspiration. You guys were our motivators. You set the example and we led the way. Thank you. And next, to the delegates. Without you, there is no conference. And it's just you who made this conference a reality. So thank you everyone for coming here and gracing our event.
Let us rise with pride and unity for our national anthem, a symbol of our shared heritage, unity and unwavering spirit.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।